Merry Christmas. How are you guys doing? You shopping on Amazon? Because if you're seeing me, you probably are. So I just got me another item from Kracken Bass. And if you've got a couple things you want to get done before Christmas time, order this item. So it's a sharpener. Now, it's just not any other sharpener. It's a hook sharpener. But it's just not a hook sharpener. And you know what I like doing? Is I like going bass fishing. I like having sharp knives to cut up the bass, and I love to have sharp knives all through the kitchen to cut up those warm slices of ham. So, let's go ahead and open this up. I opened it just to make sure it was what it was, but I haven't opened and played with it yet. So, this thing right here, from what I've read, and what I've had the opportunity to see other friends and family members have it. So, just a cute little, fits in your pocket, just a little bit bigger than a pen, probably a little bit bigger than a Sharpie in the circumference. It's got a three-sided sharpener stone, so you just loosen and then tighten. It's like a little lightsaber or sucker. You can, extend a pop. But yeah, look how easy that is. Compact design. So, cool. I got me a good old knife right here. Santa always carries a knife. So, pretty simple to use. I bet I could work on that a little bit longer, and it's going to be a sweet, sharp knife. Anyways, Kracken Bass, guys. Get this. They've got a great fish finder. They've got, not fish finder, fish scale. What else do I have? Got like 3 or 4 different things from them. Check out the reviews, but this is Santa giving this a 5-star rating and a #1 stocking stuffer. Awesome, guys. Merry Christmas. Go crack some bass.